Hey my loves, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, let's contemplate something. Do you guys see something different on my face? Look what I have on my eyes, guys. For me, this is like the end of the world because you guys know that I don't know how to put on lashes, and I've always told you that I'm gonna practice, and well, today I put these on and they're like already coming off. I think I don't even know how I managed to get them on me, to be honest. I don't even know how I managed. And I think I look a little washed out with this ring light. I don't know what it is. I feel like I look a little washed out all the time. I feel like I look more white on the camera than what I look in person. I don't look like I'm that washed out or that white. I don't know. Anyhow, so I'm super excited about that, guys, because today's the first day that I've ever actually put on lashes by myself and kept them on. That was like the biggest ordeal for me to put these on. Like, you have no idea. They're really, really pretty. I really like these. These are some that I've had for a while. These are from the Creme Shop, and these are in number 747M. This is the little thing, if you want for reference. Of course, Mr. Not Focus. Come on, Mr. Not Focus. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me. This camera never wants to focus. Why? That's my question. Why? Anyway, it's 747M black. All right, guys, so today's video is going to be my April Ipsy versus Boxycharm. Very late. It is the 24th of the month, but it doesn't matter. It's still April. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go in with Boxy first. The theme is called Festival Vibes, apparently. Yeah, Festival Vibes is the theme for April for Boxy. On the back now they have Boxy Perks, and this is for Misguided. These are cute clothes seek wearers, next level fashion from $12, and they have a code that's valid from the 15th of April through May 15th, so you still have time. It's 55% off your next order using Boxy55. It's that code down there if you guys want that. And then we also got a little pamphlet from Makeup Eraser. Let's see what this is. We already know what Makeup Eraser is. It's erase all makeup with just water and like a little towel. It's antibacterial, machine washable, reusable, great for sensitive skin, lasts 3 to 5 years, saves money because all you do is wash it and reuse. And what's on the other side? They talk about their mission, which is for people to stop using makeup remover wipes and like be kinder to the earth and save money by not having to buy too much. And this is a 20% off coupon using Boxy20 on their website. And they have all like different types of colors and stuff. I've seen those sold at Costco, but I've never really paid attention to see how much they are. All right, so diving into Boxy. This looks like I'm gonna like it this month. First thing in here is from Hank and Henry, and these are beauty sponges, and they're in this really, really cool neon color, which hence the name Festival Vibes. These retail for $20. These are for all over the face for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for fuller coverage. It has a little small one and a really big one. I love getting beauty sponges, so I'm happy about that. Next thing in here, I'm excited to get because just today with this makeup look, I never used to use primer, guys. I'm like changing a lot of things that I used to do because I have been taking a makeup class, which I'll talk to you guys probably later on, and I'm super happy about that and excited about it. And I only had, I think, well, no, I think I have more primers around, but I had a little sample of this one and I used it all up today. And this is the Pore Professional from Benefit. Everybody knows this. And this retails for $32, and I'm excited that I got this one to replace the other one. Next thing in here is from Iconic London, and this is a plumping lip gloss. Well, these I don't like because I don't like plumping things. I don't need plumping, as you can tell, but not only that, I don't like the feeling they give. This one retails for $26, and it's a high shine formula. This is a lip gloss, so there's really no swatching to do, but I will swatch it anyway. It's like a very sheer pink. That's it right there. Glosses are always nice to have, but not plumping. This I loved as soon as I opened the box. This is a 5-piece neon eye brush collection from Lavish. So this one brings, it's all neon colored, guys. I'm so excited about this because I love this. I love getting brushes, and I love all these super happy colors. So I'm loving this. It's like neon blue, neon green, neon pink, yellow, and orange. Super happy colors. So in here, it doesn't tell you which ones they include, but it's cruelty free, which is good. And these are all eye brushes, and one of them has a spoolie for your brows and the little thing for like gel if you're going to use gel. So I'm liking them. Oh, they do say this is a pencil brush. This is a tapered blending. We have a fine liner. We also have the eye shading, and we have the brow pencil, I imagine. The brow groomer. So excited about this. So far so good, Boxy, this month. You guys did a good job. And the last thing in my Boxy is a palette. And this is from Zoeva, and this is an eyeshadow palette. The formulation of the shadows are enriched with vitamin E, which is nice. It's called Cocoa Blend, and this retails for $28. Oh, the brush set is $29.99. I forgot to let you guys know. This retails for $28. Ooh, these are pretty colors. These are nice, nice, nice. Look at those colors right there. And of course, my camera never picks up anything because this color right here, you can't even tell. But this is like a coppery, glittery color. So pretty. There you can probably tell a little bit better, but my lighting definitely washes things out. Definitely. I need to change this lighting because this is ridiculous. All right, guys. So thumbs up for Boxy this month. Let's see what Ipsy has in store for me. All right. So Ipsy's theme for April is Full Bloom. And we have our list of things as well. All right, first product in here is from Tarte, and this is an eyeliner. I already don't like this. Guys, I'm a mission with eyeliners, I'm telling you. The only place I ever use eyeliner is in my waterline, really. This is the Tarteist Double Take eyeliner in black, and this retails for $24. This I chose. This is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Campfire, which I'm excited to see. This retails for $18. The color already looks really pretty. It's like a terracotta brick love. That's this color. Look how pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Beautiful color. So that I love. I'm glad I chose that. Next thing in here is from Ciate, and this is the Triple Shot Double XL Mascara. I'll do a Mascara Monday on this one. This retails for $22, so I'm excited to try that out. Next thing in here is from LEVY, and this is a 2-in-1 purifying facial mask and exfoliator. And apparently this is from like Israel because everything is written, like on the bottom, it's written in Hebrew or translated in Hebrew. Yep, it's made in Israel. So I'm excited to try that out. This retails for $36. I want to see if this smells by any chance. It smells a little bit. It's kind of like a mud color. I don't know if you can see that there. And the last thing in here is a palette. And this is from China B. It's called the Miami Eyeshadow Palette. Of course, I have to like it because it's Miami. That's where I live. That's my home. I love Miami. It has pink palm trees, which is super cute. And we have a nice mirror here. And then the colors are not like my favorite, to be honest with you. But I have to keep this palette because it's Miami inspired. So it's Hollow Over Nude, Portal Princess, Everglade, Heat, Biscayne, but they spelled bisque, that part, like the food, bisque with a Q-U-E, Wynwood, South Peach, and Cafecito. Those are the colors. I'm not madly in love with them. Portal Princess might be my favorite, which is this one right here. Everglade. And then it has like little flamingos. I don't know if you saw that. Little flamingos are like Heat. There's another pretty one. But I mean, it's not like my scheme of like I'm not obsessed with this. You know what I mean? Like when I think of Miami, I don't think of a palette with such neutral colors. I think of a palette with crazy neon, like nice, like, you know, those type of colors because it's Miami, guys. Hello. And then last but not least, here is our little makeup bag for the month with this little, it's kind of like inspired in bamboo or something with this little thing here. It's like a mint green with these little, like, what are those, flowers, I believe. It's real cute. That's what it looks like. All right, guys, so the verdict is in. This was super easy for me this month. This month 100% goes to Boxy. I loved every single item in my Boxycharm, guys. Like every single thing I loved. So I'm very excited about my Boxycharm this month. So April goes to Boxy. Woohoo! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.